went shopping for school clothes, but while I was shopping, there was a pop-up shop from Kim Kardashian. And so I waited in line. I freaking hate lines. But I actually waited in line to see the store because the thing about a pop-up shop is it's temporary. It's not gonna be there. It's not gonna be there next week or next month. The fragrance comes in a giant crystal. That's her theme. She really like the way it smells. It's like, oh. Yes. Okay. So I got that, and it came with this little envelope, which I haven't opened yet. It has 3 little pink crystals, and it's so freaking. It reads KKW fragrance, rose quartz, the stone of love and emotion healing, enhances self-love and self-acceptance. I'm just wearing a the romper outfit of the day. It's only 86 degrees, but yesterday it was 100 and something, and before that it was also the same. My summer haul. So much love for Zara. They bought so much freaking stuff with my paycheck. But if you shop at Zara, you know that when you go inside, everything has like a red tag. Literally everything is like a reasonable price, like 15, 20, 29. It's on sale now. That's just Zara, baby. Hey, it's me again. Okay. I want to show you the leather jacket first. I don't think it's leather, actually. I think it's made of denim, and it like mimics a moto jacket, and the inside of it is wool. I don't know if you can see that. And I only spent $39. And it has some lace-up detail, you know, like when you're coming back from your concert and it gets cold, you still want to be cute. Because it's not really, oh, I think it's actually winter, it's not that warm. This is the jacket on me. Some lace-up detailing here, some hardware buckles. You know, she cute. Yo, look at this skirt. I like this skirt because of the old-fashioned buckle belt that's attached to the skirt. That's really retro. It's really retro, I meant to say. You don't have that very often anymore. It's a denim skirt. I got it for $15. $15. 15. I got it for $15 at Zara. And then the shirt, also from Zara, I think I only paid $9. I also got one in black because it's really hot. It's really hot. So now I actually wear this skirt to my first day of summer quarter at FitUp, and it was really comfy. You know, it's just your regular denim skirt. I got these shorts for $22.99. I got them because it is summertime. Look at this drapery detailing. She cute, she cute, she cute. I got this shirt that cost me $12.99. I really should look at the price tag before I put the shirt on, but it cost me $12.99. I didn't even try it on in the store because I saw it like on my way to checkout, you know, these freaking impulse items always getting me. So I like it for the drape, and it says batteries fully loaded because I'm charged up like Drake. It's just another beautiful day to make some clothes, design some stuff, go shopping, just see what's trending. That's just really what I like doing. I did it again. I can't help myself. And I went shopping in all the places that I don't shop at normally. This is new bag. Urban Outfitters. I got a Tommy bodysuit and the matching gray sweats from Urban Outfitters. This is the bag. I really like the crisscross straps. Let me tell you why I love this outfit. First of all, the entire outfit, the top and the bottoms, these bootleg bottoms, both of them together cost me only $16. The jeans were $8, dude, from H&M. I don't know if they were having a sale or what. And I got the top from a fast fashion place called Kuru, and it was $7.99. I was like, I think I'm gonna wear this to this weekend's festival. I don't know. Do you think I should wear this? The jeans have this feature, you can unzip them and they give you more fabric, so it just gets wider and wider. I got this skirt for small price. I believe $36. $26, and look at this material. It's very full, still very cute, and I don't know, I really like it. It was a good deal. There's a lot of movement to it. I'll show you the shirt because I want you to understand that it is truly just a piece of fabric. It's just like net material, that's it. $26. I got this red top too. It's like a bandeau, you know. Back when those used to be trendy, and then some lace scallops, flower detailing, what you can call them. Thanks for watching this YouTube video.